In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to move StampManage to a new computer. First of all, if you are moving the same version of StampManage from one computer to another, for example, you have the 2024 version on a computer, you want to move it to a laptop or a new computer you've purchased, you don't need to watch the rest of this video. We have another video on how to do internet backup and restore. So basically, you're going to back up the data to the internet on the old computer, then restore it on the new computer. And I'm going to put a link to this video in the description box below this video, so you can just go ahead and watch that. Now, this video is more for people who, let's say, for example, we have a customer today who has StampManage 2020, and he's bought a new computer and he wants to upgrade to 2024 and move his data to the new installation on his new computer. In order to do that, first of all, you're going to select File, Backup Database, and here it's going to open up the backup folder that's used by StampManage. By default, you can change this, but by default it's this PC, My Documents, StampManage Backup. So I'm going to go ahead and do a backup. Okay, so the backup is finished. You may have to reselect to see the data again. Now if I select File, go to Manage Backup Files here, you're going to see that this is the backup we just performed here, and it's today, 2:25 p.m. You can also see the previous backups we've done previously. So what I need to do now is move this zip file. It's just a zip file. You can see all the files in it just by double clicking. Right now it's only got the data file because I have not attached any of my images to my records in the database yet. I'm sorry, to my records in inventory. You're going to move this to a USB drive. Now I do have a USB drive plugged into this computer. It's on D. So what I can do is just right mouse click, select copy here, then click on the USB drive, right mouse click and select paste. And here's the file that I've just copied to the USB drive. Now I'm going to eject this USB drive and move it to the new computer. This is the eject command here. I'm going to move it and plug it into the new computer. So here I am. I'm on the same computer, but I'm basically simulating that this is a new computer with a fresh installation of StampManage with no records. So to retrieve the data that I previously backed up, I'm going to select File, Restore. And the first thing Restore does is it does a backup because it's going to replace what is currently on your screen. And so we want to be extra careful because you're going to lose anything that is presently here. Right now there's nothing, so it's not a problem. The backup is finished. Now it's asking which file do I want to restore. Now the file is on the USB drive. I've plugged it into the new computer. You can see here it is right here from 2:25 p.m. Click OK or Open. And now you can see, once I click in My Collection, that the data from the old computer has been restored to this new computer. So that's how it works. I'm trying to keep this video as simple as possible, so I won't go into any more detail. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Thank you.